Don't be boring. Use intonation. Let's look at some important areas to consider when you do a voiceover. The first is intonation, which is the rise and fall of your voice when speaking. Have you ever sat in a boring class, falling asleep because the instructor is droning on in a monotone? I once had a geology professor who sounded exactly like the "clear eyes" guy on the commercial. He spoke at the same pitch for long periods of time with no variation, which caused me to lose interest and daydream instead. I don't remember anything I learned in that class. Don't be like that professor. It's important to have your voice go up and down in pitch appropriately as you read something. It makes things much more engaging and interesting to listen to. Your voice might rise at the end of a question or go from high to low as you read a statement. The way you vary your intonation can also change the intended meaning of your read or convey emotion. I'll show you what I mean. I'll read a phrase in a few different ways, so you can see how just small changes in timing can make a big difference. When you see an up arrow, my pitch will be going up. When you see a down arrow, the pitch will go down. Listen to the clips and see if you can read the same sentence and match the pitch directions. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?